What if I told you you can turn 15 minutes of laser time into 20 bucks? I just engraved this MakerFlo Laserette coaster. I'm going to show you exactly how you do it. My name is Ashley and this is Chip Builds, and I want to teach you how to make money with your laser. So let's jump into it. I want to engrave a photo on this Laserette coaster. This thing is really cool. It has a bottle opener here and it's magnetic. So you can stick it onto your fridge or it can catch the bottle cap as well. So let's remove the base plate. And I'm going to put my little custom jig in here. And then I'm going to place my coaster in here. You can put the coaster any way you want. But my design that I'm going to do has a lot of detail on this side. So I am flipping it this way. So let's get this in focus. I like to just do it manually by turning the knob. And that is perfect. All right, so over here in xTool Studio, I have this image that I generated with my custom ChatGPT Laser Buddy. That'll be down in the description below if you want to check it out. And for the settings, I'm just doing blue light, 250 dot duration, 50% power, 400 dpi, and I do the Jarvis. That's my favorite one. All of my custom settings are available for you to use. All you have to do is join my Facebook group, and then you'll have access to this spreadsheet. This is all looking good to me. If you really want, you can come up to edit and hit auto adjust and all that fun stuff. But so let's hit preview and see how long. Oh, oops, I almost forgot a crucial step. We need to frame it out. Connecting to my laser would also help. Okay, so let's frame this out. And that honestly looks pretty spot on. So I have it at just under 4 inches at 3.9. So let's see how long this will take. This is going to take 15 minutes. So let's hope it looks cool. So now we can hit the go button. Since you're using the blue light, make sure you're using your safety glasses. Wow, this thing came out looking absolutely stunning. This is perfect for the spooky season coming up, and honestly, it's really cool. If you're interested in artwork like this, let me know down below, and maybe I'll start posting it for you guys to use. But even though we did lose quite a bit of the house detail with this cutout, the main focus of this piece was the cat, which is why I oriented the coaster this way. Not bad. That took about 15 minutes. I could probably, finesse the settings a bit to get a little bit faster, but you can easily do an AI mock-up and then have this be a made-to-order item, or you can just make an image with a lot less detail. But honestly, I'm super happy with how this looks. I just wanted to show you a project that you can do in under 20 minutes that you can make a decent profit. These cost about $5 for MakerFlo. You can sell these anywhere from $20 to $40 depending on how you're doing it, what's on there, if it's custom, if you're bundling it, all that fun stuff. But at a minimum, I think you could get $20 for this. These things look so cool, and the fact that you can just put it on your fridge is a nice little bonus. A series I think I'm going to start doing is doing one-off projects that don't take quite as long, just to show that you don't need tons of hours in your shop to be able to make money. If you're interested in other content I have on my channel about small business or lasers, make sure you check out some of the other videos I have.